Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate cells in Excel. The easiest way to go about this, there are all different ways that you might want to go about finding duplicate pieces of information. The very simplest way is a find replace function if you know what you're looking for already. So in other words, if you have an instance where anytime the word red appears in your Microsoft Excel sheet, you just want to take it out, or somebody's name, whatever that is. I'll show you how to do that. It's you can hit on a Mac, you can hit Command F to bring up the find function, or you can go into Edit, and then down here, Find or Replace. What we want to do is go to Replace, and then in Find What, we're going to type in our term. Let's say it's red, and then if you leave Replace with empty, it will replace any time it finds the word red with nothing, so it'll delete it. That's the very easiest way to delete something. Now, the more complicated way, and if you have a long list, this is usually the best way to identify duplicates. As long as the cells themselves contain all of the information that you're going to search for, you would want to start with the exact function. And actually, even before that, let me start by saying you want to make sure that all of your information is sorted properly so that you can maximize the ability to find those duplicates. So in a list here that I've created of just some numbers, if I want to know, let's say that these are product codes or something, or the ending of product codes, I want to sort them and find out if there are any duplicates in here. I'm going to go to select all of them first in the rows, go to Data, Sort, and sort on column A. It's already set up here, so I'll click OK. So now they're in order, and right off the bat you can see that two of them are duplicated, but let's say this is a really long list. There's thousands of numbers, and you can't notice every one of them. So what we're going to do is hit equal exact, this is the exact function. You'll select the first cell and comma, the cell below it, and parenthesis, return. So you can see that it returned a true value. That means that this cell is identical to this cell. So it just found a duplicate. Then what you'd want to do is copy and select all the cells below it, hit paste, and now you can see that there are other trues in here. And what we'd want to do to make this all easy to understand is we'll select it all, copy, hit paste special, change it into values, click OK, and now we can sort on column B to find all of our trues. So we're going to go back into Data, Sort. Now we're going to choose column B, OK. So now all of these values here are duplicates because they came up as true, and it'll keep one value that already existed, and we can call it the original value. And for the duplicate values down here, we simply select those and delete. And that's how to get rid of duplicate values in Excel. My name is Justin Conway, and I hope you enjoyed.